Student, welcome to the online classes of chemistry. So, in our last class, I have completed Kenizer's reaction as well as aldol condensation and cross aldol condensation. Now, the last reaction is electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Look here students, electrophilic substitution reaction means it is reaction due to benzene ring. So what happens here? When aromatic aldehydes and aromatic ketones are treated with concentrated mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid, it undergoes nitration forming meta products or meta derivatives, that is meta-nitrobenzaldehyde. Look here students, when aromatic aldehydes and ketones, aromatic aldehydes and ketones treated with a mixture of concentrated HNO3 nitric acid, concentrated HNO3 concentrated nitric acid and concentrated H2SO4, it is called as nitrating mixture. This nitric acid and sulfuric acid mixture is called as a nitrating mixture, and concentrated nitric acid, it gives meta-nitrobenzaldehyde. Meta-nitrobenzaldehyde. Look here students, here the carbonyl group is a deactivating group and it directs the incoming group to the meta position. So it is a meta directive. Note, look here, the carbonyl group is deactivating and is meta directive. So the incoming group acts as a, so the carbonyl group acts as a deactivating agent and then it directs the incoming group to the meta position. So it gives meta position. So I will write the reaction. Benzaldehyde when treated with nitric acid and H2SO4, both are concentrated. Look here students, here it decomposes and then it gives it is called as meta-nitrobenzaldehyde. So here it is electrophilic substitution reaction. So remember here the carbonyl group, that is which is present on the benzaldehyde. So this carbonyl group acts as a deactivating agent and it directs the incoming group to the meta position. So in case of benzaldehyde and carboxylic acid, the meta group is electron rich. So here it is the electrophilic substitution reaction. This completes all the aldehydes and ketones preparation and properties. And then what are the applications or what are the uses of aldehydes and ketones? Look here students. Look here. Uses of aldehydes and ketones. Look here. First one, formaldehyde, and this formaldehyde is also called as a methanol. Formaldehyde is also called as methanol. Look students, number one, the 40% aqueous solution of formaldehyde is called as formalin and is used to preserve the biological specimens. Look here, 40% aqueous solution of formaldehyde aqueous solution of formaldehyde is called formalin. Actually that is here 40% formaldehyde and then 52% water and 8% methanol. Look here students. So few, that is 8% methanol is also added here. So 40% aqueous solution of formaldehyde is called as formalin. It is used to preserve biological specimens. It is used to preserve biological specimens. So look here, it is used to preserve biological specimens. In biology lab, you will get that is a bad smell, pungent odor, that is formaldehyde, aqueous solution of formaldehyde in which water is added, and then it is called as formalin. And this formalin is also used for sterilizing the surgical instrument. It is also used in hospitals, so for sterilizing purpose. And then second one, it is used in the preparation of erotropin, which is used as an antiseptic for the urinary infection. It is used as a antiseptic for the urinary infection. Look here students, it is used as an antiseptic for erotropin, used as an antiseptic for urinary infection. And then here again nitration of erotropin gives RDX, which is an explosive, You know the name RDX. In the news also, television news also, RDX. Research Development Explosives. When erotropin is subjected for nitration, it forms RDX, so it is which is used as an explosive. So students, here it is also used in making, it is also used in polymers like bakelite. So bakelite, which is used in the handle of pressure cooker, resins and other product. And then what are the uses of acetaldehyde? So here this acetaldehyde is used in the preparation of acetic acid, and then in the preparation of vinyl acetate, and in the preparation of alcohol, and then that is in the preparation of esters. Like this, so many preparations are there, and it is also used in the preparation of polymers like paraldehyde, which is used in medicine as hypnotic, So it is used in making or in the preparation of paraldehyde. which is used in medicine as hypnotic, as a hypnotic. So listen students, here it is about acetaldehyde. So and then acetone, it is used in the as a organic solvent in many that is industries, and acetone is also an ingredient in nail polish. It is an ingredient in nail polish, which operates very easily, nail polish, and also it is used as a solvent for many that is paints, which are very costly, because acetone operates very easily. So and here it is also used in the manufacture of the secondary alcohols and also this carboxylic acids. So then after this students, here benzaldehyde, it is used in making perfumes, flavors, which are used in food materials, artificial food materials, and also you know that. So here it is used in making, that is benzaldehyde, and also sodium benzoate, which is used as a food preservative. And similarly we know that vanillin. So at the beginning I told that vanillin, it is having a very good flavor or a pleasant smell. It is used in making chocolates, ice creams, soft drinks, etc. And then sodium benzoate is used as a food preservative. So students, here these are the uses of aldehydes and ketones. Among these, this first one is very important, and second one is erotropin and formalin. So these two are very important one. Then here aldehydes and ketones are completed, and the last unit is carboxylic acids. So what are carboxylic acids? Look here. Carboxylic acids, RCOH, general formula, R is equal to CS3, C2H5 or C6H5 or that is C6H5CS2, anything. So here these are called as carboxylic acid. So students, what are carboxylic acid? So carboxylic acids are the organic compound which contains a carboxyl group as a functional group. This carboxyl group act as a functional group, and this functional group consists of carbonyl group which is linked with hydroxyl, and these have general formula RCOOH. So here the organic compound containing carboxylic group as a functional group, carboxylic group as a functional group, in which the carbonyl group is linked with or bonded with hydroxyl group, that is C double bond O OH. Look here students, carbonyl group is bonded with hydroxyl group. These have general formula RCOOH, and R may be alkyl or R may be aryl group, as I have already written there. Then look here, the carboxylic acids may be number one aliphatic carboxylic acids. So look here students, aliphatic carboxylic acids, example formic acid, acetic acid, propionic acid, etc. And then second one, aromatic carboxylic acids, so C6H5COOH, benzoic acid, and also you may write so methyl, then that is methyl group or ethyl group which is substituted here. Then the next one, that is the higher members of aliphatic carboxylic acids are called as fatty acids. So fatty acids, you know that stearic acid, fatty acids, these are having C12 to C18, so stearic acid, and then that is myristic acid, palmitic acid, etc. So here it is about the introduction regarding this carboxylic acid. Here it may contains aliphatic, aromatic, and also it is the higher members of aliphatic are called as fatty acids, and here the fatty acid may be stearic acid, myristic acid, palmitic acid, even you may write student lauric acid. So here these are about the introduction regarding this carboxylic acid. And then students, here how these are named. Naming is very interesting. According to the common system, so the carboxylic acids are named depending upon their sources from which it is obtained. So it is the interesting one. Let us see. Look here. A nomenclature of carboxylic acids. Nomenclature and structure of carboxylic acid. So students, here there are two types of naming. There are two types. One is common system. It is also called as travel system, and another one is IUPAC system. Look here. According to the common system, so the carboxylic acids are named depending upon the sources from which it is obtained. I will write here. So these are named depending upon their sources from which these are obtained. These are named depending upon their sources from which they are obtained. For example, the best example, formic acid. Look here students, HCOOH, this formic acid, what is, so here these names are derived from Greek or Latin. That is, here this formic acid, so it is obtained by distillation of red ant, and here it is called as formica. And then it becomes formic acid, So here similarly the second one, acetic acid, so here its formula is CH3COOH, acetic acid. So here this acetic acid is it is called as acetum. Acetum means it is called as vinegar. Acetum means vinegar. So here it is a formica, Latin word, and acetum, it is also Latin word. So then here it is called as acetum, and therefore it is called as acetic acid. It is found in vinegar. And similarly students, here butyric acid, look here, so it is found in butter. So you will get rancid butter. So it is from butter, so it is also Latin. All these are, that is these are called as common name. The common names for carboxylic acid is given from the sources from which they are obtained. Here red ant is distilled, you will get that is a solution, that is acidic solution, that is called as formica or formicus. So in Latin, so therefore it is called as formic acid. And similarly acetum means vinegar in Latin, and then it is named as acetic acid. And butyric acid, like this, that is almost all carboxylic acids are named depending upon their sources. And students, here after this IUPAC system, it is very easy. So these are the derivatives of alkanes. Look here, these are the derivatives of alkanes, where E of alkane is replaced by OIC acid, and here it is IC acid. So in formaldehyde, aldehyde is removed and IC acid is added. These contains IC acid. Look here, formic acid, IC acid, acetic acid, IC acid, butyric acid, IC acid. So here IC acid is added, but here it is E is replaced by OIC acid. And here these carboxylic acids are called as alkanoic acids. So I will show here. So for example, look here, it is acetic acid, common name is acetic acid, common name is acetic acid, and its IUPAC name is carbon 1 and 2, it is called as ethanoic acid. So here OIC acid is added. Ethanoic, propanoic, butanoic, like this OIC acid is added. And if the organic compound carboxylic acid contains more than 2 carboxylic group, then we have to add the prefix tricarboxylic acid, tetracarboxylic acid. So I will show an example here. Look here. Look here students, it contains here 1 carboxylic acid, 2 carboxylic acid, and it contains 3 carboxylic acid. And if it contains only 2 carboxylic acid group, so we can name easily. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentane dioic acid, pentane dioic acid, but here it is third one. So in such cases we have to consider here 1, 2, 3, it is called as propane 1, 2, 3 tricarboxylic acid. Tricarboxylic acid. Look here students. So it is about a IUPAC system. Now let us see few examples. Look here, I will write few examples. Here structure, common name, and then IUPAC name. Look here, I will write one by one. Formic acid, acetic acid, propanoic acid, butanoic acid, isobutyric acid, oxalic acid, malonic acid, succinic acid, glutaric acid, and then adipic acid. Look here students, common name I will write formic acid, acetic acid, propionic acid, butyric acid, and then isobutyric acid, isobutyric acid, and then oxalic acid, malonic acid, then succinic acid, then glutaric acid, and then adipic acid. Look here. So here these are the common name, and let us see IUPAC name. Methanoic acid, ethanoic acid, propanoic acid, butanoic acid. Look here, one that is here side chain is there, so it is called as, it is written like this, CH3, CCH3, COOH. Look here student, it is like this, CH3 twice, CH3 twice, CH, CH, COH, means here it is 1, 2, 3, 2-methyl propanoic acid, 2-methyl propanoic acid. Propanoic acid. And here oxalic acid. Look here students, 1, 2 carbon. 2 carbon means it is ethane dioic acid. ethane dioic acid, and then here it is propane dioic acid, and 1 2 3 4 butane dioic acid, and then 3 4 5 pentane dioic acid, and then 4 it is 5 6 hexane dioic acid. Look here students. So here these are the common name and IUPAC name. So here it is about common name and IUPAC name. So look here clearly, and here after this the structure of this carboxylic acid and the preparation. Look here. Look here, structure of carboxylic acid. Here look here, it is the structure of carboxylic acid, and here the bond angle is 120 degree. The bond angle is 120 degree. So here carboxylic acid, in carboxylic acid (120 degree), and here it has a sigma bond, pi bond, sigma bond, and also it is sigma bond. So it is the structure. And look here students, here the carboxylic cation carboxylic carbon, here this carboxylic carbon is less electrophilic as compared to the carbonyl carbon due to resonance structure. Look here, due to resonance structure. I will write the resonance structure. Look here. Then here it become positive. And again, look here. If the bond is shifted here, then okay, this is the resonance structure, and due to this reason the carboxylic carbon is less electrophilic as compared to this carbonyl carbon. So carbonyl carbon is more electrophilic. So students, here it is about the structure of this carboxylic acid. So I think it is clear to you all. Now only we have the methods of preparation. So in our next video we will start the methods of preparation. So thank you.